Hello friends, you are welcome at YouTube channel of Chameli Devi Institute of Pharmacy, Indore. Today we will discuss isolation, identification and analysis of phytoconstituents of following crude drugs, and these are curcumin and podophyllitoxin. So first of all we will discuss first phytoconstituent, and it is curcumin. So curcumin is resinous compound and which is obtained from dried rhizome of Curcuma longa, which is belonging to Gingiberaceae family, and it is yellow color pigment which is mixture of curcumin, monodismethoxycurcumin and bis-dismethoxycurcumin. Now we will discuss isolation method for curcumin. So first of all we will get turmeric rhizome and wash with distilled water, and after that we will dry this rhizome under sunlight by 10 to 15 days and under oven at 65 degrees centigrade for 48 hours, and by the helping of milling we can convert the rhizome into crude powder, and this crude powder is treated with acetone and methanol with the ratio is 1:2, and after that we will filter the solution and get filtrate, and this filtrate is useful for turmeric oleoresin and evaporate the solvent, and this turmeric oleoresin can be converted into curcumin powder by the crystallization procedure. Now we will discuss analysis of curcumin by thin layer chromatography method. So here mobile phase will be chloroform and methanol with 9.5 and 0.5 ratio, and the stationary phase will be thin layer chromatography plate, and it is consist with silica gel G, and spray reagent will be vanillin sulfuric acid reagent. So we can observe different spots on thin layer chromatography plate by the under UV light at 360 nanometer and 254 nanometer, and we can also detect spot by the helping of spray reagent with vanillin sulfuric acid reagent. So we can observe the spot by the calculation of RF value of curcumin will be 0.6 to 0.8. Now we will discuss various identification tests for curcumin. So first of all we will take turmeric crude powder and treat it with concentrate H2SO4, and it shows red color with curcumin. And second test will be when we will get a turmeric powder and treat it with alkali solution, so it shows red violet color with curcumin. Now we will discuss various chemical constituents which are found in turmeric, and these are the major constituents are curcumin or curcuminoids, and other constituents are volatile oil and starch grains. And now we will discuss various therapeutic uses of curcumin. So it is used as an anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory agent. It is used in cold and cough. It is used as an immunoboosting agent. It is used as an anti-diabetic and antioxidant agent, and it is used in hepatoprotective activity and anti-HIV activity. Now we will discuss second phytoconstituent, and it is podophyllitoxin. So it is lactone resin compound which is found in root and rhizome of Podophyllum hexandrum, which is belonging to Barbaridaceae family, and it is used as an anti-cancer agent. Now we will discuss isolation method for podophyllitoxin. So first of all we will take 1 gram powder of podophyllum root and treat it with 100 ml of methanol, and then filter and evaporate the solvent, and we will get a semi-solid mass, and this semi-solid mass is treated with acidic solution like H2SO4 or HCl, and then we will get a precipitate, and this precipitate should remain or placed for 2 hours, and then wash this precipitate with cold water and after that acidified water and dry it. Then we will get a brown color residue, and then this residue is treated with hot alcohol, then again filter and then evaporate the solution. Then after recrystallization method with benzene we can get a pure form of podophyllitoxin. Now we will discuss various identification tests for podophyllitoxin. So first of all we will take a powder crude drug of podophyllum and treat it with sulfuric acid, so it shows violet blue color. Second test will be, first of all we prepare a ethanolic extract of podophyllitoxin and treat it with strong copper acetate solution, so it shows brown color precipitate. Now we will discuss analysis method for podophyllitoxin by thin layer chromatography method. So in this method we will use mobile phase is chloroform and acetone with the ratio is 6.5 is to 3.5, and spray reagent will be methanolic sulfuric acid reagent, and we will observe the spot with yellow color at RF value will be 0.65. Now we will discuss various chemical constituents which are found in Podophyllum root. So it contains podophyllin resin and it is known as a podophyllatoxin. It also consists quercetin, camphorol, aceragalin. These are flavonoid and it also consists with essential oil and it contains lignin compounds. Now we will discuss various therapeutic uses of podophyllatoxin. So it is used in treatment of genital and other warts. It is also used as a purgative and bitter tonic and it is used as an anti-cancer agent. Thank you so much friends for listening this slide and I hope this slide will be beneficial to all of you for information regarding isolation method, identification test and analysis method for phytoconstituents like curcumin and podophyllatoxin.